10 kilometers in and we're not done. Gante, how many kilometers am I doing, guys? Yo, let's go.
You've arrived at your destination.
Let me make a confession before the video start. I really underestimated this trail simply because all the videos that I used to study the trail showed only the beautiful part of it. But to my surprise, this was actually tougher than the Groenkloof, which I did 21 Ks. You will see it for yourself and I'm hoping that you will enjoy. Let's go!
So many times I didn't miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down.
Only 1 kilometer in and already I feel so unfit. Look guys, it's about to go down. What?
So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. Gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I
This is just a sign for you to go to that solo hike. You don't have to wait for people to do things with. You just have to do it. Make a plan. Make sure that you choose a safe trail. When I arrived here, there was a couple of people doing the trail. I think there's 2 guys that are doing the same trail as me, but we give each other distance, so I'm doing it alone. You can do it. Kilometers in. 4 kilometers in, 6 to go.
you're on to.
6 kilometers in, 4 to go, guys.
You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run
8
wild.
kilometers in, 2 to go. Let's go. I'm so excited because now we're nearing the end. Kilometers in and we're not done. Gante, how many kilometers am I doing, guys? Yo. I did it, guys. We are done.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it.
I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your loved ones.